Hey boo, today I'll be showing you how I created this very modern day feature wall in my bedroom. You won't need too many items to achieve this. All you'll need is a paintbrush, a pencil, some paper and some wall tape. Oh, and the paint of course. So first off, I started by making a rough sketch of what I wanted the design to be. Someone come and rate my drawing skills out of 10. I would give myself a solid 9.5. Come and see Pablo Picasso. Come and see. So this strip of brown paper literally just came out of the fixings of my blinds, but it is very easy to make. As you can see, it's just literally a strip of paper that I've just taped to the wall and used it as a template for this feature wall. So I'm just going around with a pencil, just gently outlining the template. So here I am just folding some paper 4 times just to create a similar shape to the template that I'm currently using. So if I didn't have the template that I am currently using, then I would use the template that I created instead. So what I'm doing here is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taping off the edges so I can get a nice clean finish. Some other sections of the wall just needed a bit of a touch up, so I taped it up and painted over where necessary. So after some dry time, I went in with a second coat of the pink. You see this? This is so satisfying to me.